Hi there, my name is Simon Andrews and I'm the Head of Bioinformatics at the Bagram Institute in Cambridge, and I'd like to spend a few minutes telling you a little bit about what my job is and what I do day to day. The Bagram Institute is a government-funded research institute. So our purpose is to help understand the biology of how our bodies work, and especially how they change as we get older or become ill. To do this, we have a large number of research groups, all of whom are looking into different aspects of biology. But sitting alongside those are groups called science services, who are there to help the researchers do their work and provide technical assistance. And my group is one of those. My group works in bioinformatics, which is a fancy way of saying that we do work involving both biology and computers. All modern experiments in biology produce large amounts of data, often in electronic form. So in order to actually do anything sensible with it, you need computers to help you. They will store it, they will help you explore it and analyse it, and that's where my group comes in. We're there to help the research groups in the computational work on their data. Mine is a very diverse job. We're involved in many different aspects of biological computing, from writing databases to help scientists manage and store and track their data, to writing software to help them analyse or visualise their data, and we might use statistics to help them perform robust and solid analyses, which means that they can come to really sort of strong conclusions that they can have confidence in, and which will eventually form the basis of written publications, which are the main output of our institute and which communicate our science with other scientists and anybody else who is interested in the work that we do. Now, mine is a relatively small group, so we can't do all of the computational work for the scientists at the Institute. So one of the most interesting parts of the job is that we do a lot of training where we teach scientists how to analyse their data for themselves, and we pass along the skills that the people within my group have. As well as being a very sort of satisfying part of the job, this is also something that has allowed us to travel to meet other scientists in other institutes and companies all around the world, which is one of the great things about science. Science is a very international effort. Nothing happens just in isolation. Groups of scientists all around the world collaborate in order to make advances in the field, and we are trying to help with that by teaching scientists how to analyse their data effectively. Probably the most attractive part of my job is the diversity that it provides. In a typical day, I could be building servers in the morning, so actually producing the hardware which gives the scientists something to work on and which does all of the analysis. I might be writing software to analyse new types of data or data from new instruments that people haven't seen before and that we're helping them to understand. And I might be writing websites to publicise the work that we've done or distribute it to other people. So all aspects of computing are involved in the research process, and we get to participate in all of those. One of the things that really makes a job like mine attractive is the fact that it's constantly changing. If you're working in a research environment, by its nature, it always moves on. You're never doing the same thing over and over again, because as you discover something, you do something new. So although I've been working in the same job for nearly 20 years now, it's really not, because there's always something new that's coming in, new data types, new pieces of machinery, or new things that the scientists want to do. So there's constantly new challenges and new things for you to try out. So this is something that really brings people in to this kind of work and gives them a job that they really can do for life. So overall, I would strongly recommend a job like mine. It's not maybe one of the most common jobs that you would think of if you have computational skills and biological skills, but the ability to bring those two together gives you a really interesting perspective on the work that you do, something that's hugely valuable both to society and to the scientists that you work with. And this is a job that I've loved and I wouldn't want to do anything else.